This short guide explains how to buy shares of Wirecard, a payments and financial services company listed on Xetra under the ticker WDI.DE. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy Wirecard shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to make purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker WDI.DE to locate the listing. Make sure you select the Wirecard entry that trades on Xetra to find the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and inspect the price chart for recent movement. Confirm the page header shows Wirecard and ticker WDI.DE so you are on the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or remain pending. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. After execution, your Wirecard position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.